In this video, we'll look at adding the last component before attaching your device to the mount. This is the QRM2. The QRM2 is a quick release for your mounting of your device, and it slides right onto the horizontal tube of your mount. When this ships, it'll have a bolt in the back for tightening the rotation and a handle on top for adjusting the ball joint angle. Now this bolt in the back can be replaced, and it will come with an extra handle in the package that you can replace it with, so you don't need a tool to make your adjustments. So I'm just going to remove the bolt from the back using the red wrench, set that bolt aside, take the handle and start to thread that in on the back. Now I can adjust the position horizontally on the horizontal tube, and when I get to the right location, I'll just tighten the handle on the back. These handles are very similar to the ones on the quick shift joint that allow you to freely rotate by pulling the handle out and turning if you need to get more torque so that you can tighten it. Same with the one on the top. This will adjust the ball joint. Once you get the angle that you want, just tighten that up. And now we're ready to add the device. On the back of your device, you'll have a plate, and in there's a hole that will line up with the lock pin on the QRM2. Pull the pin out, slide the mounting plate into the wedge, release and listen for the click to indicate that it's locked in place. Now you're ready to use your device.